Hey guys, so today we are making a tummy slimming tonic. It's a really nice way to kickstart your morning routine. This water, you never want to come to a boil. You always want it sort of just at a light simmer. While we're letting that steep, we're gonna take a little mason jar and we're gonna take about 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. We are going to take the tea bags out. We're actually gonna strain this entire mixture. So now I'm gonna actually take this and add it to this mixture, okay? And I'm gonna finish off with a few drops of green tea extract. This is gonna be an extra metabolism booster. All right, and that's it. Slim that tummy tonic. Cheers.